Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. Today we'll be talking about a new accessory from OnePlus which is launched alongside the OnePlus 13. Now this is the wireless charger, the OnePlus AirVOOC 50W magnetic wireless charger. Now this is compatible with OnePlus 13. So we'll be showing you how this works. So this is the box packaging. You can see here OnePlus AirVOOC 50W. So it can charge the OnePlus 13 with the 50W speed. And this is a magnetic charger. You can see the design here. Then details are mentioned here. So let's just open the box and see how this works. So there you go, opening up the charger. You can see here this is the AirVOOC charger. Now you can see here this case, this box also has this magnetic mechanism, hence it is like sticking onto this. So let's just take this out, and here we have the manual and warranty information. Yes, there you go, there's the manual and warranty information. So how this works and all the stuffs are here, and then that's inside, that's all inside the box. So you need a charger, the OnePlus charger which comes with the box package to use this. There's no cable included in this. So this is the charger. So you can see here, this is the fan running, and this is the magnetic mechanism where you pin the charger, and we have the vents for air circulation, and looks pretty nice actually. You can also see that a red button here. Nothing much to press, just the wireless charger. We have the USB Type-C port here to connect to the adapter. So let's see how this works. So we are connecting this to the 100-watt SuperVOOC charger, and you can see that the LED light starts blinking. So that's the charger. Now let's keep this like this, and we have the OnePlus 13 with us. So this is the OnePlus 13, and this is the official case which comes with the OnePlus 13, and we have this magnetic mechanism here. Now if you have the OnePlus 13, you can just keep it here. The magnetic mechanism won't work. There is no magnetic mechanism, but still it will do wireless charging. But if you have the case, it will have the proper magnetic mechanism. So just we are using the case. Now you can see here it latches onto the case. So there you go, that's how it works. Now you can see here AirVOOC charging, 50-watt AirVOOC charging, and you can see the fan running here. So if you keep the hand here, you can see here the fan running, but you can actually control how the fan is running. So what you need to do is just go to the settings, and here we have the battery option, and inside the battery, charging settings. Now wireless charging tutorial, so you can just keep the device here, that's aligning. Then quiet charging. Now wireless charging runs at low power level to minimize noise. So it may not be the fastest out there if you are using this method, but it will be sound will be very less, and heat dissipation also will be less because it runs at minimal noise and minimal power. Now if you don't want this, it will be, you can actually feel that the sound from here, it is running at high power, and this will have more impact because this will charge the device a bit more faster. We'll just see here. So now it's running at full power, and you can see that the fans are also running slightly faster than before because now we have disabled that option. You can enable the quiet charging, and you can also set when all which all time you want the quiet charging running, always, bedtime or custom. So this is the wireless charging, so you can enable this option, and this is the AirVOOC adapter. So you can see this works with the case. If you're not using the case, it will still work, but it will not have the magnetic lock here. So now you can see here, this has the magnetic lock. So this is the new OnePlus AirVOOC 50-watt magnetic charger which is now launched alongside the OnePlus 13. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. We are not really sure about the pricing of this device, so we'll come back once the pricing is announced, and we'll share the link to buy the device as well. So that's it for this video. This is Ram signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.